What is going on, guys? So the iPhone 12 camera has a problem, and I've done such videos before as well, not just pointing out problems but also new features on the Samsung phones like the MEMC feature, which many people appreciated and also felt the same. So I thought I'll continue this trend with the new iPhones as well, and I found this new annoying thing that I am observing because I shoot a lot of videos with this iPhone. So no doubt, iPhones have always excelled in video performance more than any other Android phones, especially when it comes to stabilization and the sheer video quality and the sharpness. iPhones always have had decent image sensors and the best in class image processing pipelines paired with the best in class, the most powerful processors that you can get on any smartphone, even till today. More so now, the iPhone 12s even have the new Smart HDR3 also paired with Deep Fusion, and on the video front, they also have the Dolby Vision HDR. This makes them an excellent choice for video recording, whether it's your casual video recording indoors or outdoors, or it's for even YouTube or professional purposes, because the amount of detail that they give is very close to a DSLR. Even though they don't have that much manual controls yet, they only work in auto mode, but still they are good enough. So there is one thing that I have noticed and still annoys me because I record a lot of videos with this iPhone, is that in the video, now as the subject is focused, if you look closely on this side, there is a lot of noise. I think this is the best example that you can see here. If you observe the table, there is a lot of noise. So even HDR videos do not seem to be that much detailed. This can be observed only if you look closely. But when you're recording videos for YouTube and stuff, you would need. And the main thing is that I did not observe this in many other smartphones, even the older iPhones. Smartphones like the Samsung or the Pixels, or even the older iPhones, they might not have that much detail, and in low light, they might just seem a bit dark, but they don't have such kind of a noise. So this can be a bit annoying, and especially sometimes I even notice this if you're playing these videos on your iPad or on your TV, because on a larger screen this is more noticeable. Might not be on your small iPhone 12 or 12 mini. Now I'm not a photography expert or a videography expert, but I think this has to do with the auto ISO setting on the Smart HDR or whatever image processing this iPhone is going through. Other smartphone cameras have stringent noise reduction capabilities. They compromise even on details just to reduce that much noise. So in that case, so ISO set, at least their ISO setting works well, that you don't get that grainy video. But on the iPhones, there is no such thing. Just to get a lot of details and a lot of highlights, you also get a lot of noise. Now this probably can be fixed with a software update, but this might also have to do with the f1.6 aperture. That is why on any day I would pick a larger sensor that they have on the 12 Pro Max instead of the f1.6 aperture. A larger sensor, even with the f1.8 aperture, would do just fine. And that is why I think the bigger 108 megapixel sensors are more reliable when it comes to low light. Not because of the megapixel count, but because of the larger sensor that they house. So guys, if you shoot a lot of videos indoor, then I would say look into other options, especially on the Android side, which have larger sensors, or even look at older iPhone models, because the image processing on them is more refined and you don't notice this kind of a noise. But do try it out yourself and see if this bugs you or not, and do let me know what you think of this if you also notice this on your iPhone 12. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.